ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವಿಚ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್?
Bullet fire to a target. That's all.
A bullet fired to a target. A target ಇದೆ. A bullet fired to a target. Target ಅಂದ್ರೆ something invisible thing ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದು. It's not a wall. Wall ಅಲ್ಲ, ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು. It's not a wall. It's just a distance where I had to throw a bullet or fire a bullet. Correct? Correct?
Yes,
What is the velocity of the bullet, sir?
2000 sir, meter per second.
2000 meter per second. It's just a point, exactly. 2000 meter per second ಅಲ್ಲಿ bullet ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 2000 meter per second. 2000 meter per second the bullet is moving. Correct? 2000 meter per second bullet ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 2000 meter per second. Right. Next.
ಅದು horizontal ಇಲ್ಲ with a certain angle sir?
With horizontal, sir. It's not with a certain angle. Horizontal, completely horizontal.
Sir, question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. Horizontal. ಸರ್, ಒಂದು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 2200 ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
Yes sir, meter.
200 meter. 200 meter. Firing a bullet horizontally ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್
ಸರ್, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಫೈನ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅದು. ಇಫ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ರೀಚ್ ದಟ್ ಬುಲೆಟ್, ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಗಿಂತ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಥ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದೂರ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
ಥೀಟಾ 45 ಇದ್ರೆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಥೀಟಾ 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ
ಸರ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ರೇಂಜ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಓದ್ತೀರಾ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ? ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು? No problem. Bullet is fired with an velocity 2000 meter per second. Reaches a target of 200 meter ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? reaches a target of 200 meter. What must be the position? What is the aimed? What is the aim? A bullet aimed ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Bullet aimed ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ we have to find out the value of h. Yes, exactly, Mr. Puneet. We found the value of h along horizontal direction ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಾವು. Sorry, vertical direction ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಾವು. We found the value of h. h ಅನ್ನ ಬಂತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ 5 meter 5 centimeter ಅನ್ನ ಬಂತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 5 centimeter ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಇದೆ above 5 centimeter ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Is it right? Yes sir. You are getting an idea now. Fine. So we'll move to
take horizontal only.
Yes, horizontal andre means what they are asking, I'm standing at a height of 5 centimeter above the target from the ground and I'm firing a bullet like this. Illinda illi distance estide 5 meter height ide, 5 centimeter. I'm targeting this, hence it reaches this target.
Okay sir.
Is it clear?
ಅದೇ ಸರ್, ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes sir. Thank you sir.
Yes. ಪುನೀತ್
ಸರ್, ಅದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಗ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಫೈರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಆ ತರನ ಅದೇನಾ?
he is firing horizontally. Question is very simple. He is firing horizontally. ನಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? he is firing horizontally.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ರೇಂಜ್.
ಫೈನ್ ಸರ್, horizontally ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್. firing horizontally. Right? Next.
Yes sir, right sir, thank you sir.
Fine. We'll move to our syllabus question. Study material question. Question number 1. Let me start with question number 1. ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Try to solve. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು maximum solve ಮಾಡೋಣ within 3 o'clock. Try to solve the questions which is printed in your book. Try ಮಾಡಿ. And do remember, I will not ask that question in the examination. ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ if I ask a question in the right. First question, let me start with Tanisha only. Tanisha will read the first question. Yes, Tanisha.
So page number 1 minute.
Page number 196. 194. Sorry. 194. Oh my God, you are asking.
The range of projectile when launched.
And the range of projectile
when launched at an angle of 15 degree.
When angle of 15 degree.
With the horizontal is 1.5 kilometer.
1.5 kilometer. Super. 1.5 kilometer. Right. Next.
The range of the projectile when launched at an 45 degree.
The range of an projectile when it is launched with an angle of 45 degree, we have to find the value of range. Correct?
Yes, sir. To the horizontal, same velocity of projectile.
Yes, the velocity of this is equals to velocity of this. In the two cases, the velocity remains same. Initial velocity remains same. One is thrown with an angle of 15 degree. The range is 1.5 kilometer. If I throw the same body with the same velocity with an angle of 45, we have to find out the range. Question is very simple. Let me take it as R1 and I will take it as R2 and I will take this as theta1 and theta2. Theta1, theta2. We know the formula to find the range. R is equals to U square sine 2 theta divided by G na. U square sine 2 theta divided by G. No doubt in this, right? Observe madi, U is same, G is same. U is same, G is same. Correct? Therefore, R directly depends on sine 2 theta na. Do you agree with this? R is directly proportional to sine 2 theta. Therefore, R1 is equals to sine 2 theta 1. R2 is equals to sine 2 theta 2. Theta 2. Divide this 2, we get an answer. R1 is 1.5 kilometer divided by, we have to find the value of R2 is equals to sine 2 theta 1. Theta 1 is 15, so 2 times 30 divided by sine 2 theta 2. Theta 2 is 45, divide into 200, 90. So R2 is equals to, idil 1.5 into sine 90 is 1 divided by sine 30 is 1 by 2. R2 is equals to 1.5 into 2. So that is equals to 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಚೆಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಫೈನ್. Super. Did you get an idea about this problem? Very important problem for your NEET exams. Very important formula for your problem for your NEET exams. If U is common, R depends on sine 2 theta directly. If U is common, R depends on sine 2 theta directly. Correct? You don't take things and I'll speak alone. You have tension ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. Yes sir ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ. Yes sir. Fine. Very simple question, very easy question. What is it? First question is very simple. We did. I think we have no doubt related to this question. Okay, yeah.
No sir.
Fine. Shall we move to the second question? First. Shall we move to the second question? Right. Yes, question number 2. Fahad will read the question number 2. Yes, Fahad, start.
A projectile is thrown to a maximum horizontal range on the ground.
Okay, projectile is thrown to a maximum range from a ground. Okay.
Horizontal range, sir.
Horizontal range, yes. Maximum
The
horizontal.
ratio of the horizontal and the vertical components of its initial velocity is.
Super. The question is very simple. Mute mark. What is the question? Is this? A projectile is reaches an horizontal range maximum. Horizontal range maximum means theta should be equals to 45 degree. No doubt in this. Theta should be equals to 45 degree. Very good. 1:1. Superb. Theta should be equals to 45 degree. Then If theta is equals to 45 degrees, they are asking us to find the ratios of their initial velocities. ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? If theta is equals to 45 degree ಆದ್ರೆ theta is equals to 45 degree ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? U cos 45 ನ U cos 45 ಇಲ್ಲಿ U sin 45. Here I'll get U sin 45. Here I'm getting U cos 45. Here I'm getting U sin 45. Correct. They're asking us to find the ratios of U cos 45 divided by U sin 45. They're asking us to find the ratios of these two. U get cancelled, and then cos 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So then cancel. 1 is to 1. 1 is to 1. So everybody have already given an answer for this. 1 is to 1. Any doubt related to this question? They're asking us to find the ratios of their velocities, initial velocities. But the ratios of the final velocities is not same. I will calculate money. Third question is very important for us. Third question is very important for us. We will solve that very seriously. Third question. Theta will differ. Yes, exactly. Theta will differ. Theta will differ. And third question is very important for us. As I told, we will solve that third question very seriously. Yes. Question. Menu will read the question. Yes, Menu, start. Third question.
A particle is projected with a velocity u.
The particle is thrown with a velocity u.
Particle is projected with a velocity u,
Okay.
so that its horizontal range and maximum height reached are equal.
Okay. Maximum range and horizontal height are equal.
Horizontal range and maximum height.
Horizontal range and maximum height are equal. Fine.
Reached are equal. The maximum height reached is.
The maximum height reached is. Change ಮಾಡಿ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ maximum range ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. height ಬೇಡ. height ಬೇಡ. maximum range ಅಂತ ಬರ್ರಿ. maximum range ಅಂತ ಬರ್ರಿ. Change that question into a maximum range.
ಸರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
Maximum.
ಸರ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ಯೋ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, maximum height ಬಂದಾಗ maximum height ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. We will get a different formula for maximum height. ರೇಂಜ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಥೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1/√17 ಏನೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಥೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1/√17 ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. 1/17 ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು, ರೈಟಾ? ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ range na find out ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. I have to find out the range. What to do with this? ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀರಿ ಸರ್, ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀರಿ. R ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀರಿ, H ಗೂ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀರಿ. Write the formula for R and H. What is the formula to find R? U square sin 2 theta divided by G na. U square sin 2 theta divided by G. Height U square sin square theta divided by 2G height ಬರೋಣ. height they are equal ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. they are telling they are equal, correct?
So tan theta equal to
G cancel. U square cancel. U square cancel. Sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is equals to sin square theta divided by 2. Left with sin square theta divided by 2. This sign, one sign cancel aito. Let me send this towards this side. 4. Let me send this towards this side. Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Therefore, tan theta is equals to 4. Tan theta is equals to 4. Means 4/1 antana. 4/1. 4 is nothing but 4 by 1. Right. ನಮಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋದೇನವರು ರೇಂಜ್ ಆರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಟು ಥೀಟಾ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಜಿ. Expansion of this r is equals to u square 2 sin theta cos theta divided by g. I have tan theta. I have to find out the value of sin theta and cos theta now. And find out mana, we have a technique of that. Right angle triangle bariti.
4 by root 17, 1 by root 7.
Right angle triangle bariti. This is 90 degree. This is theta. What is tan theta for this triangle? 4 il barutte, 1 il barutte. Correct? I'll get 4 here and I'll get 1 here. What is this side now? Square root of 4 square plus 1. Root 17. Pythagoras theorem, sir. 4 here, 1 here. 1 square plus 16. 17. Under root of 17. Superb. Sin theta apply ಮಾಡಿ ಈ triangle. Sin theta for this triangle. 4 by root 17. Superb. 4 by root 17 opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta for this. 1 by root 17 adjacent by hypotenuse. Put the value of sin theta and cos theta in that expression. Put the value of sin theta and cos theta in this expression. 2u square sin theta is 4 by root 17 into 1 by root 17 whole divided by g. Numerator 4 into 2 8 u square. Root 17 into root 17 is 17 divided by 17g. Divided by 17g. Keep in mind, this is very important for problem for our NEET exams.
Sir, in question they given horizontal range and maximum height are equal. So maximum height equal to 8 u square by 17g we can be right.
U square by
8 u square by 17g can be right, sir.
8 u square by 17g.
Sir, range and maximum height are equal.
Correct. Again we can equate this. Exactly. Again we can equate this.
Sir, in question they ask you that only, no, sir.
Again we can equate this. Exactly. Again we can equate this. It is equals to x. H. It is equals to h. H is bರುತ್ತೆ, r is bರುತ್ತೆ. Very good. Yes. If they ask anything you can equate. Yes. ನಾನೇನ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ theta value substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. But question they have given r is equal to h. Yes. Whatever the value of h you will get, that is equals to r. Whatever the value of r you will get, that is equal to h. Superb, sir. Very nice. Very important question. Keep in mind, this kind of questions will be there in your exams. Very important question. They may change the value of they may change the value of this. They may change the value of this and ask square of that anta barbodu. This is square of that anta barbodu. They may change. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. This kind of question is there for your practice also. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Here I'll get 3, here I'll get 1. 3 1 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Sorry. 3 1 ನಾ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ? No 10 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಡರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 2 ಇದು 1 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದು 2 ಇದು 1. I have seen that practice question ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 by 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan theta is equal to 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ. Tan theta is equals to 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ. Tan theta is equals to 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Tan theta is equal to 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So in value 2 by root 5, 1 by root 5. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So you'll get an answer. Is it clear? Can you solve this kind of question? Very good. I'm not getting any response. I love it. Yes sir ಅಂತ ನಾನೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನನ್ ಖುಷಿ. Next question, question number 4. All questions are conceptual. If you know the concepts, then only we can solve the problems. Correct? Conceptual and formula. Nothing mathematics here. Conceptual and sorry, mathematics is there. Nothing mathematics. Mathematics is there, but conceptual. Conceptual. Fourth question. Minu will read the question. Minu is waiting to read the question. Minu, I tell you the question also. So let me go with another person. Another program. Yes, Megan, Chinmay Bharadwaj will read the question now for us. Fourth question. Yes, Chinmay.
The body is projected from a level ground.
Body is projected from a level ground. Okay, fine. It is projected like this.
With a velocity of 30 meter per second.
Okay, with a velocity of 30 meter per second. Right.
At 30 degree.
30 degree. Theta is equal to 30 degree. Right.
To the horizontal.
Okay.
The angle made by its direction of motion.
The angle made by its direction of motion. Okay.
1.5 seconds.
1.5 seconds.
5 seconds after projection.
After projection. Okay, 1.5 second after projection.
With the horizontal.
With the horizontal. Is. With the horizontal is. Okay, fine.
G is equal to 10 meter per second square.
Okay, fine. G is equals to 10 meter per second square. Right, you can unmute yourself and I'll explain the problem what they have asked. I have a body here. I throw this body with 30 meter per second. Correct? 30 meter per second with an angle of 30 degree. After some time t is equals to 1.5 second, it may reach us here. I don't know where exactly it reaches. It may reach us here. Correct? Then I had to find out an angle between. I had to find out the angle theta again. Matte illi theta find out madbeku nanu. They are asking us to find out the theta at this position after 1.5 second. After 1.5 second. Back to the question now. Are you getting my question? ಏನು question ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ? They are asking us to find out the angle at this position after 1.5 second. 1.5 second. Resolve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ component ನ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ horizontal component will remain same and vertical component ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Horizontal component ಮತ್ತೆ vertical component ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? What is an horizontal component here? What is an horizontal component? U is given 30 into 15 cos 30. 30 into cos 30. Correct? Illi 30 into sin 30. 30 cos 30, 30 sin 30. After some time.
Sir, time of ascending 1.5 seconds. Sir.
Time of ascending is 1.5 seconds. But the maximum height hogilvalla kanda. We don't know whether
Sir, Sir, when we calculate time of ascent, we will get 1.5 seconds.
Idu time of ascent 1.5 ide andre maximum height hogide hangare. Maximum height hogide.
Yes sir. Theta 0
agutte. Maximum height hogide theta 0 agutte. Fine. Time of ascent na 1.5 bandre we can find we can treat that it reaches a maximum height. Yen barutte time of flight ge time of ascent formula en barutte u sin theta by g na. U sin theta by g. Correct. U is 30 sin 30 divided by g. So divided by g andre let me take it as 10. They are told to take a 10th one. So 30 into sin 30 is 1/2 divided by 10. So 1s are 15s are. So it is equals to 1.5 second. Time of ascent 1.5 second andre it reaches a maximum height. Therefore theta is equals to 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. One way of finding an answer. Again I have to prove that theta is equal to 0. Prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ horizontal component remains with same sin 30. Sorry, 30 cos 30 ನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Vertical component change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What is the velocity at this point? Vertical vertical component velocity ಕೆಳಗಡೆ
Zero.
ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, velocity ಕೆಳಗಡೆ, but we don't know zero sir, exact ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗಿನ್ನ zero ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Again it remains with 30 sin 30 minus gt na 30 sin 30 minus gt na. Final velocity find out for formula v is equals to u plus at. V final is equals to u initial 30 sin 30 minus g into t. Correct? Correct? Illustrate the value 30 sin 30 minus
Yes, sir.
gt. 30 sin 30 minus gt. Then what they are asking us to find? They are asking us to find the angle. Angle na find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ resultant ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. To find out that we have an expression tan theta. This side 30 sin 30 minus gt divided by this side 30 cos 30. 30 cos 30. 30 into sin 30 is 1 by 2 na minus g into t. G is 10 into t is 1.5 divided by 30 into cos 30. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. 15 minus 15. Numerator 0 na. Denominator also it remains with 0 again. Anything divided by 0 is 0. Therefore tan theta is equals to 0. Therefore theta is equals to 0. Approved in 2 minutes. ಇದನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ನಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕೇಸಸ್. If you go with this method, I can find out the value of theta. Hello, Puneet. ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. 1.5 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. But not all the cases it may reaches the maximum height. Path ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ find out ಮಾಡೋದು. Wherever if I want to find out the theta, I can find out by using this step. Resolve ಮಾಡಿ and write it again properly. 30 sin 30 minus gt. 30 sin 30 minus gt. Any doubt with this problem? Matadi. Any doubt with this problem? Resolution, how I did this? Horizontal component will not change. Vertical component will changes. Vertical component changes by 30 sin 30 minus gt. What about others? I'm getting response only with few. 4 members are respond. I have 19, but I'm getting response with only 4. Fine. Next question, question number 5. I think question number 5 is very simple. Try ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Read the question and try to solve this. I'll wait for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Question number 5 ನೀವೇ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Solve ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ try ಮಾಡಿ. Read the question number 5 and try to solve. Simple ಆಗಿದೆ question. Question is very simple and answer also very simple.
Sir, sum of angles is 90, so same will be the range.
Question number 5. Yes, Puneet, you are trying to tell something.
Sir, sum of angle is 90 degrees, so range will be same.
Range will be same. If we get the sum of angle is equals to 90 degree, the range will be same. 30 plus 60, 90. 40 plus 50, 90. 60 plus 30, 90. So your angle add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, if you get the range is, theta is equals to 90, then the two bodies will have the same range. No doubt in this. or else you can go with the method. Simple ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಹೋದ್ರು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. R is directly proportional to sin to theta. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? R is directly proportional to sin to theta. U same ಇದೆ. R is directly proportional to sin to theta. Correct? R is directly proportional to sin to theta.
Yes, sir.
RA is equals to sin 2 theta is quoted. What is the value of theta they have given for first one? 30 degree. RB is equal to sin 2 times half 60. They are asking us to find the ratios of these two. RA by RB is equal to sin 60 divided by sin 120. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 na? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Correct? Sin 120 can be done as cos 19 plus 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 cancel 1 by 1. Sin 30 n calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ sin 120 is it can also be written as sin 90 plus 30 sin 90 plus theta. Sin 90 plus theta can be written as cos theta. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Sixth question is also very important for us. Shall I rest? Shall we move to sixth question? Yes. Question number 6. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಓದ್ತೀರಾ? Tanmay will read this question. Yes, Tanmay. Are you there, Tanmay? No. Problem ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. Bravara will read this question. Yes, bro. Tanmay came.
So the equation of
Okay.
trajectory of a projectile thrown from a point on the ground
Y
is y
equals
to
okay, fine. None ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ.
second square.
Minus x square divided by 40. Correct? Y is equals to x minus x square by 40 meter. Right. Next, what they are asking us to find?
The maximum height reached.
The maximum height reach. We have to find out the value of h. Correct? Is the question irodu. The maximum height reach. G is equals to 10 meter per second. This is the only thing they have given. I have to find out the maximum height now. G is equals to 10 meter per second square. I have to find out the maximum height. Again, how to find the maximum height here? Nodi yochne ಮಾಡೋಣ. I write this expression in this form. I take out x common in this. X into 1 minus x by 40. 1 minus x by 40. It is in the form of equation y is equals to x tan theta into 1 minus x by r. 1 minus x by r. Equate this to expression. If I equate this to expression, notice x tan theta is equals to how much? Tan theta is equals to how much? 1. Illenu illa andre 1 tan theta is equals to 1. If tan theta is equals to 1, then theta is equals to 45 degree. I got a value of theta with the help of this. And we know that r is equals to 1 by 40. If I equate this to r is equals to 1 by 40 na. R is equals to 1 by 40. And we know the expression for r also. R value r is equal to 1 by 40 na. R is equal to 1 by 40.
R equal to 40.
40 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 1 by
Yes.
r. 1 by r is equals to 40. That can also be written as g divided by 2u square cos square theta. 2u square cos square theta. Right? Sin square theta, cos square theta, cos square theta. ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬದಲು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, sin ಬದಲು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, cos ಬದಲು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೆ. sin ಬರೆಯೋಣ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. sin square theta. Sin square theta. Substitute the value of theta is equal to 45 here. Substitute the value of theta is equal to 45 here. 45 degree substitute ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? 1 by 40 is equals to 1 by 40 is equals to g value u square value calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ g value 10 divided by 2 times of u square cos 45 is 1 by root 2, so that can be written as 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? This 2 get cancelled. U square is equals to 10 into 40. So u square is equals to 400. 400 meter per second. Meter per second. 400 meter per second. We know the expression for height. H is equals to. H is equals to. What is the formula to find the height? U square sin square theta divided by 2g. 2g. U square is 400. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2, square root of that 1 by 2 divided by 2 times of g is 10. 0 0 cancel, 2 1s are 4, 10 9. So that is equals to 10 meter. 10 meter. Very important formula. Sorry, very important problem for us. Is it right? With the help of this, I found the value of theta. With the help of theta, I found the value of u. With the help of, I found the value of h. Tan theta is equals to 1. Therefore, theta is equals to 45 degree ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Tan 45 is equals to 1. Tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Theta ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ? 45 ಆಗಬೇಕು.